I wanted to add furigana over the kanji. I searched YouTube to know the answer, but all I get Chinese videos. And mostly they talk about this icon or this icon. But I don't have any of these in my Excel. So I tried to add them and I made a new category because it didn't let me. See, it's grayed out for me. So I tried to add the phonetic guide as the guy showed in the YouTube video. For some reason it just didn't work. It didn't work at all. Nothing happens. I keep clicking, nothing happens. So I figured out the solution after days of search. So the solution is very easy. Basically, you just need to make the Japanese language in here as preferred. And then you close this. So now, see, there it is. There it is. Okay, let's try it. Gosh. Okay. Now click. See? It's working. Also, you can edit it yourself. Or you can change it from katakana to hiragana from phonetics settings. In here, you can choose hiragana or have with katakana. See? But for some reason, this icon, which says ABC and a big blue A, it's supposed to show me a squarish window like this guy, but it doesn't work for me like that. It works like the other guy. It does like this guy. Once it clicks, it auto input it. See, just like my phonetics guide icon, but this is a furigana icon. I don't know why it's like that for me, but there you go. If you have this issue that you can't see the icon, there you go. Now you can see it.